Hi everyone, welcome to Careervues. I am Nancy. I'm the founder of Careervues and the principal consultant. So in this video today, I'm going to talk about creating a job search checklist. I always encourage all the job seekers to be organized in their job search. Today I'm going to guide you for making a step-by-step checklist that would really help you in getting organized for your job search and eventually would land you in your dream job offer. So first of all, to start, when you think of changing your job or if you've been unemployed for a long time, the first exercise that you must do is understanding the 4 whys. What job you are looking for, what kind of a title suit your profile, what companies you'd like to work for, what kind of salary and benefits you are seeking in your new employment. Second is why. Why do you want to work in this sector? What kind of experience do you have? Understanding your why means getting closer to understanding your strengths and skills that would make you land into your dream job offer. The third thing is understanding what. Understanding what you have to contribute, what you are bringing on the table, what kind of experience do you have, what skills do you have, are these the right skills for this job? The second part of my checklist is creating a compelling cover letter. While creating a cover letter, there might be 3 areas you should focus on. To start with, state your skills, qualifications and expertise in the first paragraph. The second paragraph should be why you are interested in this particular position and how you relate to this role. Even before asked, if you answer these 3 questions through your cover letter, the chances are quite high that your resume will definitely be opened and considered. Now, my third tip, which is creating a mind map. Let's begin with asking few questions. Open your resume and open a job description. First of all, do a role mapping. What kind of a job role you are looking for? What would make your profile suitable for that job? Do you have the necessary experience? Do you have the right keywords through which your resume would pass the ATS door? See to it if you need to upskill yourself or you have the right qualification for the industry standards. This would help you analyze if you need to work on your resume or yourself. You must look at your LinkedIn profile and your resume. I'm not saying to make your LinkedIn look like your CV, but definitely your experience and the company names and years of work should be in line with the resume. So your LinkedIn profile should say the same story, nothing different what is mentioned in your resume. Before being shortlisted, be ready with your references. Shortlist the people who could give you a good reference. It could be your friends, it could be ex-colleagues, it could be anybody. Maintain your close circle with certain people whom you can trust when it comes to references. When you put their names for providing references, make sure you convey them that you are applying for this particular industry and these kind of roles so that you give them a heads up and they are ready whenever they receive any reference check call or email. Understand what are the relevant questions that you could ask the hiring manager if you receive a pre-screening call. If they call you and ask you, what is your experience? Could you brief us about yourself? What are your salary expectations? These things should be on your tips. You should be ready with these answers anytime, because when the interview call comes or the pre-screening call happens, we don't get time to prepare. While doing your job applications, what are the resources that you've been using? This is very important to consider. Some people just apply through job boards. Do you have any favorite organizations that you'd really like to work for? Look for those websites, look for those organizations. Connect with people on LinkedIn who have already been working with those organizations. It would be really beneficial for you to go through unofficial channels and apply directly rather than sending your CV along with the other 300 applicants. Create a checklist, personal checklist for yourself. Are you ready to work for an organization that wants you to relocate? Are you ready to work long hours or shift working hours? Maintain a checklist for yourself so that even if you get an interview call, what are your minimum takeaways from that call, or what you are ready to compromise on, and what things you cannot manage without. Clarity is the most important thing in job search. So make sure you're very clear with your set standards when it comes to landing into your dream job offer. Now, as I told earlier, prepare well in advance for everything. Are you ready with your follow-up strategy? If yes, what is your follow-up strategy? In most cases, when we apply online, we don't get to hear back. What way you could follow up? It could be calling the company directly. It could be finding a generic email from HR, mentioning the reference of the position, or putting up the subject line which position you have applied for. Follow up. I have sent my resume on this date. I would like to ensure if you have received my application. If not, please provide me an email address where I could submit my application. This is my qualification. These are my skills. That's what I bring to the table. If it's been months and months and you have not heard back from anybody, it's high time you need a job search strategy and an assistance in your job search. Make sure you find somebody who is right for you or whom you trust to assist you with your job search. If you're not ready for a paid consultation yet, keep watching my videos. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I keep sharing informational videos for job seekers regarding interviews, job search, careers advice. You would surely benefit from these videos. Do let me know if you have any questions regarding your job search. I hope you found my tips useful. Do subscribe to my channel. Don't miss to press the bell icon. Stay tuned to Careervues for more videos. Thanks for watching.